Hey there, health enthusiasts! Feeling a bit sluggish lately? I've got just the thing to boost your energy and kick that daily fatigue to the curb. Say hello to my energizing smoothie recipe. All right, let's dive into the ingredients and their benefits. First up, we've got a banana. Bananas are packed with potassium and natural sugars to give you a quick energy boost. Next, freshly squeezed orange juice, full of vitamin C to keep your immune system strong. Then we add some oats. These babies are great for sustained energy release throughout the day. Don't forget the chia seeds. They're loaded with fiber and keep you feeling full. A spoonful of raw honey adds a touch of sweetness and natural antioxidants. And finally, cold brewed matcha or green tea. It's the ultimate antioxidant powerhouse. Now for the fun part, preparation. In your blender, toss in 1 banana, a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and a 1/4 cup of oats. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds and a teaspoon of raw honey. Pour in 1/2 cup of cold brewed matcha or green tea. Blend it up until smooth and creamy. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy this energizing delight. Quick tips and precautions. If you're trying to cut down on sugars, feel free to skip the honey. For an extra protein kick, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Note that matcha contains caffeine, so enjoy it earlier in the day to avoid any sleep disruption. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay energized and take care of yourselves. Catch you in the next video.